Hey fellow math teachers, Justin here from mathfilefoldergames.com. I'm here with my daily math game, featured daily math game, and today's featured game is 5 Dice. This is probably one of my favorite games. I've actually made this game into an app you can download on the iOS App Store for your iPad or iPhone, but this is my favorite game. I know there's a lot of variations of this out there, but we held 5 dice, so you get 5 dice, so you can roll it 5 times, or you just get 5 dice, and essentially it's an order of operations game, so this is great for 5th grade. This game is taken from my best-selling book, 42 Principal Math Games, Math for Middle School Students. So this is, there's a lot of different variations. So essentially you have target numbers. I have this in a file folder, and I plan on laminating this. If you don't want to laminate things, you can just use page protectors, which I also have in here. And then you put your digits that you write on here. So if I wrote 5, 2, 6, 4, 3, I rolled those numbers. I'd write them there with a dry erase marker on my laminated board. And underneath it, I'm going to use, figure out my order of operations to hit the target number. So you have to play this with whole class or at least 2 or more players, right? So everybody gets the same numbers, and whoever can come up with the math statement that gets closest to the target number wins. So some will get exactly on it. So hitting 10 is might be hard for some, but others might be creative enough to come up with a way of doing it. And that's it. That's the game. So whoever gets closest gets the point. So obviously I like modifying a little bit. I like changing the target numbers. You could actually just roll the dice to pick the numbers randomly. So you could roll the dice 3 times and get a 3-digit number, or you can roll it 2 times, get a 2-digit number, and so forth and so on. So that's the game, 5 dice, and it's just, you can use any of the order operations all the way up to exponents if you want, depending on where your students are at, or just multiplication and addition and subtraction and division. Or you can use parentheses or brackets, as we say in Canada. So that's the game. If you want this game free, all you have to do is comment in the comments below, share another order of operations game or an adaptation or a modification to this game. Leave a comment below and I'll message you this game. Can't think of something to share substantially that will help other teachers teach this concept? Tag a friend and maybe they can share. And so if you want this game, do so and comment below and I'll message you it. If you want the entire book of this game, head on over to my website at mathfilefoldergames.com/store and you'll find it there. This book is bundled with, I have it bundled with different books you can get, and you can get hundreds and hundreds of games for middle school students. And if you use this discount code, Math is Fun, you'll get 50% off. So off this book or off anything you find in my store will be 50% off. So head on over to my store if you want the entire book. There's 42 games in this book, and this is my bestseller. I can't recommend it enough. Best-selling book. So head on over there. If you have any questions, message me. If not, leave a comment. Thank you.